Well, let's make the rice then. To make microwave rice, you'll need 2 cups of water for every cup of rice. It's always that ratio. And then we'll mix all the seasonings together, the rice, the water, and put it in the microwave. That's basically it. Well, I'm going to use this container here that comes with a microwave, which I'm going to test today. It already comes with a lid and has the right markings here for you to make rice, pasta, and several dishes in the microwave. But if you're using a regular microwave, you'll use a glass dish like this one that can go in the microwave. And you'll use a plastic lid that's made for microwaves, like the ones we use to cover plates. You'll place it on top like this. I'm going to get my container. I'm going to put a cup of rice here that I've already measured and washed. In this container, 1 cup corresponds to number 1 on the rice level, and then I'm going to add the water, which also corresponds to number 1 in the container. And then in your microwave, it means 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. Okay, that's what you're going to do. Put 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Onion. I have a chopped onion here, a small onion. I'm going to put it in here too. And then I'll add it. Use a small clove of crushed garlic, store-bought paste, pressed or chopped, any method works. I'm going to add a small clove of garlic. And what about the salt? For this amount of rice, which is 1 cup, I'm going to add a level teaspoon of salt. I'm going to give it a little stir here. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave. I'm putting this container in here. On this microwave, I just press rice and level 1, which matches the amount of rice, and start. On your microwave, you'll set it for 5 minutes on high power and keep an eye on it. Every 5 minutes you stop and check if it's good, until all the water evaporates. You'll do this as many times as necessary. Well, now that the indicated time is up, let's see the result. Look, the water has evaporated. And then we're going to give it a little stir and serve. I didn't let it rest for the 5 minutes it needed, did I? So maybe that's why it's still a little moist, but it's fully cooked. That's normal. Look. Really nice.